do. Learning and playing and fun with friends too. Wednesday comes, it's halfway through, with games and stories and maybe some glue. Thursday arrives with more to explore. We're getting smarter and learning much more. Friday is here, let's dance and cheer. The weekend is coming, it's finally near. Saturday is playtime, no school today. We laugh and jump and run all day. Sunday is restful, a day to be still, with family time and a day to chill. The week is a journey filled with delight. Each day is special, morning till night.